嗨，大家好，欢迎来到川味乡。
So Vincent, how this is so spicy. How do you like get used to this?
Come here once a week. Could you introduce a little bit yourself and your job here?
I'm the head chef of this restaurant and also co-owner with my partner.
Friends recommend me
Yeah.
to this restaurant.
Okay.
It's very, very popular in Montreal and among the Chinese people and also foreigners. How do you do the advertising?
You see this restaurant, we don't have a very fancy decoration and everything. We are very casual, this restaurant. So when I open this restaurant, I know, first I don't have too much money to do advertisement. So instead of advertisement, I more care about my quality foods. So all the food we give to customer, when I say is the best quality. So I was thinking the best way, we are not like a McDonald's franchise. So the best way for restaurant business is talk by talk, is the best advertising.
Did you do something online to marketing this restaurant?
Just right now. I don't have extra time, I'm sorry.
As you were saying, you have a new computer system in place.
Yeah, of course. It's 21st century.
Yeah,
I have to depend something in the computer.
You have to, right?
Yeah.